I need to tell you something. This isn't what I usually do. I'm not a motivational speaker. I don't make videos telling people how to live their lives. But life has a way of breaking you down until you have no choices but to speak the truth. Until the weight of what you have learned becomes too heavy to carry alone. Something happened to me, something that changed everything. I thought I knew about people, about promises, about waiting for others to save us from ourselves. So, this is different. This is different. This is what I wish someone has told me about life, about waiting for others people's I will to become ID. Two words, just two words that carry the weight of the world. I will call you, I will help you, I will be there, I will never let you down. The most beautiful lie we tell each other and ourselves. This isn't about them, this is about us. About the invisible contracts we write in our minds when someone says those two words.